can you explain why you're actually installing Gentoo?
I have to show it to the fucking teacher tomorrow.
Did the teacher tell you specifically to install Gentoo?
No, everyone had to do it.
No, I mean not like did he actually give that as an assignment?
Yeah.
But you're literally just building for x86. You're not learning anything. You're not like learning how to actually build a tool chain or anything.
I
I
don't know what the fucking point is.
It's fucking busy work.
Yeah, it probably is.
Is it due tomorrow?
Yeah.
When did you get this assignment, Flash?
February?
Oh man, I remember being a student. Holy shit.
It's so good, dude.
Oh man.
Just waiting until the last moment for everything.
I did that all the time. I'm not even gonna bang on
I've
you.
always been like this.
I'm not gonna bang on you. I used to be like that. I stopped torturing myself like that though. With school though, I just couldn't give a shit.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I
Pretty much every college assignment that turned in like 10 minutes after midnight, and they didn't give a shit.
God, I hated college so much. Holy shit. I'm so glad I'm out of school. Oh my fucking god, I'm so glad I'm out of school. And it kills me because I actually really liked the idea of college when I was a bad boy. A boy. A boy! But, you know, I was sold a lie. It was really cool and cute and I liked it a lot.
I'm pretty glad that education is doing a lot better here.
I just, even if it was good, I just don't see myself waste. Like, something I think about a lot is, if I were to actually have been in college the entire time, I would have just gotten out, like, right now. Or, like, a year ago or something.
Yeah, that's true.
And, like, I think of all of the things I've accomplished and learned in my life in the last 4 years. There is no way that college could ever have done anything remotely comparable to that. So, at the end of the day, I don't know.
Who knows?
It just seems like a giant waste of 4 years, but I don't want to discourage anybody.